day. The Ultimate Recipes Collection, Volume Number 1 by Darin Martineau is a flavorful journey through comforting classics and globally inspired dishes. Designed for home cooks who love variety and bold taste. Learn exclusive new decadent and delicious recipes now. This collection brings together hearty pastas, vibrant salads, savory dips, and quick weeknight meals. From Rosa Marinara sauce and sausage pasta to 10-minute Szechwan chicken, spicy chicken and mushrooms, and Lemon Orzo with greens, Feta and Dill. With recipes like Creole Seasoning, Indian chicken, tacos with grilled pineapple, and Hot Smoked Tuna Dip, the book offers approachable techniques paired with exciting flavor profiles. The collection also shines with fresh sides, snacks, and crowd pleasers, including multiple cucumber salads, cauliflower and tomato salad, BBQ chip dip, pesto dip, and German pancakes. These recipes balance simplicity and creativity, making them perfect for casual family meals, entertaining, or experimenting with new tastes without complicated steps. Yet, each dish is crafted to be practical, satisfying, and full of character. A standout feature of this volume is its rich selection of classic French recipes, showcasing timeless techniques and elegant flavors. From brioches quiche Lorraine and provençali stuffing to chicken merengue, choucroute garni, croquettes, omelettes, sauces, and refined desserts like chocolate mint mousse and mango balm sorbet. 2. This section elevates the collection into a true culinary reference. The Ultimate Recipes Collection. Volume Number 1 is both a celebration of international cuisine and a reliable kitchen companion, inviting cooks of all levels to explore, create, and enjoy exceptional food at home. Click the link below to get free recipes now.